Hello students, in the last video we have seen how to create series using Python Panda. Now we'll see how to access series objects and its elements. Once the series is created, there are so many ways to extract an element or you can access an element from the given series. Let's see the example. From this code you can see here I am writing print is a command to print on a screen. This one is a series name object O1 and within a square bracket we give the index which element I want to access. Now see here S1 is a series and the elements are 100, 200, 400, 600 and 900. Let's create the series. The series is created. Now I am writing here print S1 series within a square bracket giving index 0. That means I want to see what is the first element. And now you can see here 100. Let us try another index. Say it is 3. So 0 here, this is the 0th element. 0, 1, 2, 3. So it should be 600. Let's see. It is 600. That's correct. Another way of extracting element is we can provide range as a slice. Say for example 1 colon means starting from first index then rest of the elements. 2 to 5 we can write here 2 colon 5 is starting from second element and the elements will be second element, third element and fourth element. Here 5 is the terminator. We can define the steps also. Let's see in Python shell how it runs. Now let's see. Type print series is S1 and here I write 1 colon means starting from the first index and I want rest of the elements. And you can see here index 1, 2, 3, 4 starting from 200, 200, 400, 600 and 900. Let us type another example here. 1, I am starting from 1 and I want till second element. So 1 to 1 is only one element. Only one element is coming. Now let's see here, type 3 here. And you will see the first element and the second element. Third element is not coming because here the index third is terminator. Now let us see another example. Say here it is 0 and I want till 4th position or say 5th position. Colon step is 2 here. So the first position is starting index from 0. Stop at 5 and step is 2. And you can see here first 100 is coming. 0 index 100 is the value. Second index 400 is the value. And fourth index the value is 900. Operation on series objects. Once the series is created, we can modify or you can say change the elements of the series objects. Now what is the syntax? Syntax will be series name. Here say it is O1. Within a square bracket we give the index and equal to value. Say here it is 2.5. So whatever the existing value is here in index 1, it will be replaced by 2.5. Now see here, series is 100, 200, 400, 600 and 900. And if I want to change the value of index here say 1, now you can see here 1 is 200, the value is 200. Now I want to make it this as say 800. Just press enter key and I would like to see the content of the series. So I'm just writing print and you see here the index 1 is having 800. Let us see another example here. I am writing here S1 colon. That means starting from the first index, whatever the value is there, I am just replacing by say it is 50. Let's see what is the content of the string and here see other than the first value 100, all indexes here 1, 2, 3, 4 are replaced by the integer 50. At this moment you might be thinking, okay, the values of series can be changed, can be updated, but can we change the index? Yes, we can change the index by the attribute here index. So syntax is series.index and within a square bracket you provide the list of indexes. Let's see. Now you can see here 5 indexes are there and it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. if I want to change this index, let's see here, series 1 dot index equal to, I want to start here from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the moment I press enter key here, let's see whether the index of the series S1 is changed or not. Yes, it is changed. Now you can see here, it is starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from this example, it is clear that at any moment we can change the index of the series. There are two important functions. One is head, the other function is tail. These two functions are used to fetch n number of records from Pandas object. And see the example here. Object 1 dot head, if no parameter is passed, then it will fetch first 5 rows. We can pass the parameter also as integer. So in this case, if I write o1 dot head within bracket 3, it will fetch first 3 rows. Now see the functioning of tail function. o1 dot tail will fetch last 5 rows. If I provide the parameter here, then say example o1 dot tail within bracket 2 will fetch last 2 rows. Let's press enter key and then type lowercase s1. Now see here 7 names are declared. If I write here s1 dot head, see what is the output? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, first 5 names are displayed. If I pass the parameter and write 2 here, first 2 names are displayed. In the same way, I can use tail function. If I am writing here tail function and I am not providing any parameter at this moment. Now see here, all names from the bottom, but index 0 and 1 is not coming. If I want the last 2 records, you can see here this is the last 2 records. So here I can say tail 2 and that will extract last 2 records from the bottom. So you can say this is the last record, Kulpreet, and the next one is Iqbal. Next is vector operations on series objects. Now if you want to add 2 objects, or you want to multiply 2 objects, or you want to divide one object by another object, that is possible. Only the important thing is the index should be matched. In case if the indexes are not matching, then it is a missing value and NaN will represent the missing data. Let's see how we can apply. Now you can see the series 1 is having elements 2, 4, 6, 8. Series S2 is having elements 1, 3, 5, 7. Let's create the series, and after this if I write here print S1 plus S2. If I press enter key, you can see here the addition of 2 and 1 is 3, 4 and 3 is 7, 6 and 5 is 11, and 8 and 7 is 15. So actually we are getting the sum of series S1 and S2. Now let us use another operator, say it is minus, and see the content here. Difference is 1, 1, 1, because in this first series we have given the value odd numbers and second is even numbers. Let us write another operator multiplication, and we can see here S1 into S2. Now see here, that is the multiplication of 2 individual series S1 and S2. I can apply here division operator also. Let us see what is the result. Now that will be definitely a fraction number or a decimal number, or you can say float number. So that is why here the output is float. There are so many ways to display the elements of series. Another way is here filtering series. So value can be filtered by using Boolean operator. Now here I am giving a condition. Print the elements of S1 only those elements where S1 is greater than 10. Now let us see how it works. Now I am creating series S1 with few integers. You can see from here. Now let's create the series. By pressing enter key, the series is created. Now I'm writing here print S1 is the name of the series and the content of S1. If it is more than 12, then only you print, otherwise don't print. Let's see here, right? So elements are 15, 19 and 20. Let us see another example. If it is less than 12, print only those elements which are less than 12. And here you can see the numbers are 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. All elements are less than 12. Now you might have understood what is the difference between NumPy arrays and series objects. Now you might have understood what is the difference between NumPy arrays and series objects. NumPy arrays index always starts with 0, that cannot be changed, whereas series objects can have integers or string and that can be changed later on also, like one example I gave you where index numbering can be changed. Now I am giving you a few assignments, few questions. Those questions will be solved by using Python IDE. You can use Python IDE or you can use Spider. And I'm showing on a screen. Please note down the questions. Please submit your coding on my WhatsApp number 782824705 or on my email ID a@zunjani@gmail.com.